Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to transfer Sweatcoin to Sweat wallet. So in order to do this, you first need to launch your Sweatcoin mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you're successfully logged in the top right hand corner of the screen, you are going to see your balance. So if you tap on this balance, you are going to see your Sweatcoins in the top, and here you are going to see the earning summary as well. So over here it will show you how many Sweatcoins have you earned and how many Sweatcoins have converted into the Sweat and they are transferred into your Sweat wallet. Now if you want to see all of your transaction history, then you can tap on the see all transactions, and here you will be able to see every day when you have earned the Sweat coin and the Sweat currency. So over here, as we want to transfer our Sweat coin into Sweat wallet, you need to come back on the balance page, and here underneath your balance you are going to see the option of you are working for crypto. So if you tap on this option, you will be able to see this type of pop-up in front of you, which will show you that the value of your steps is equal to the Sweat token. So over here, the first steps that you take every day will be converted into Sweat and the rest into Sweat coins. So as it is showing you that the first few steps that you will take will be converted into Sweat and the other will be converted into Sweat coins. Now over here, in order to transfer your Sweat coin into Sweat wallet, you actually don't need to do anything, as the transfer is automatic. It will automatically convert your Sweat coin into Sweat wallet. However, you need to claim them in your Sweat wallet account in order to make them visible in your Sweat wallet. Let me show you how you can do that. So if you tap on this open Sweat wallet option, you will be landed in your Sweat wallet application. Now once you have successfully logged in into your Sweat wallet account, it will show you that your total balance is this, and in the top right hand corner you will also be able to see how you can earn one Sweat coin. Here you will be able to see this claim option, and as you can see that I have currently 6.48 Sweat that I can claim. So if I tap on this claim button over here, it is showing me the pop-up that congrats, you have earned this much amount of Sweat. Now is the time to claim. So I just have to swipe to the right hand section in order to claim it, and this way I will be able to claim the Sweat token in my Sweat wallet account. So basically this is how you will be able to easily transfer your Sweat coin into Sweat wallet. So I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.